How to use Alibaba Trade Assurance. Trade Assurance is a free service from Alibaba that protects your order and payment. This guide shows you how to use Trade Assurance to ensure you're working with a trusted supplier. When you're on a product page or on a supplier page, look for the Trade Assurance icon. This means that if you pay for your order through the Alibaba system, your order is protected. If there is a problem with the quality, shipping or anything else, Alibaba will help you get your money back. To use Trade Assurance, you need to use the Start Order button to place your order. This will create an official order on Alibaba that is protected. If you pay the supplier directly, your order will not be protected, so it's always best to go through the Alibaba system. Finally, you need to go pay for your order on Alibaba payment page. This ensures your payment is protected and you're eligible for Trade Assurance. We can see right over here. Never pay a supplier directly outside of Alibaba system. Use Trade Assurance to protect your business and get peace of mind. You now know how to use Alibaba Trade Assurance. This is a great way to protect your business. Like and subscribe for more business tips.